If you drive a Mercedes W166 or W292, you know the pain of a floppy, broken center console cup holder. This tiny piece of plastic claims to be the ultimate, affordable fix for that common Mercedes headache, and honestly, it delivers on the promise of restoring sanity to your cabin. This is the Genfort replacement buckle clip, specifically designed to replace the notorious OEM part 1,666,806,402. It's crafted from a mix of ABS and PC materials, which is crucial because this part takes a lot of stress. Holding it, you can immediately tell it's not that brittle, cheap plastic you sometimes find online. It feels robust, ready to handle years of snapping back and forth. While the listing claims a universal fit, let's be clear, this is precision-engineered for the Mercedes ML, GL, GLS, and GLE models in the W166 and W292 chassis. If your existing cup holder mechanism is loose, rattling, or simply won't hold a drink securely, this is the component that has likely failed. The installation process is genuinely straightforward. You don't need to be a master mechanic to swap out the broken clip for this new one. Once installed, the difference is immediate. That sloppy, useless space suddenly becomes a functional drink holder again. It restores the original versatile functionality, allowing the mechanism to securely grip various drink sizes, whether you have a small espresso cup or a larger travel mug. Now, the description mentions a space-saving design and folding cup holder capability. To clarify, this buckle clip is the component that enables your existing center console mechanism to fold and stretch correctly. It's not a standalone folding cup holder. It's the essential repair piece that brings back that premium, factory-tight operation. The precise length of 93 millimeters ensures that the tension is exactly right. For anyone dealing with the notorious broken cup holder on these specific Mercedes models, this Genfort replacement buckle is an absolute must-have. It's a high-quality, precise fix that saves you the massive cost of replacing the entire console assembly. It performs exactly as advertised, restoring premium functionality with minimal effort. This is a small investment that makes a huge difference in daily driving convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.